How Instagram influencers are driving tourism. For millions of people, sneaking a quick few minutes of social media browsing is a guilty pleasure. While many use social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram to keep up to date with their interests and news, others follow influencers, especially on Instagram. Because of this, influencer marketing has become quite a big business over the last few years, with some influencers demanding thousands of dollars, euros, pounds, depending on where they're from, for a mention on their posts. Instagram is looking to turn their followers into an actual business. They've monetized everything from parenting to baking. But one area that has seen the biggest amount of growth over the last few years via the Instagrammers is tourism marketing. Those with a large social media following have been able to introduce brands and travel trends to tens of thousands. So, how does it work? Thanks for asking. If you're familiar with Instagram, the chances are that you follow a few Instagrammers. Travel influencers are those who focus mainly on travel.
No shit, Sherlock.
For companies interested in increasing their brand awareness, working with the right person on Instagram can be a great marketing strategy. Typically, those influencers who are interested in partnering up with brands will have their contact information visible on their page. That is an invitation, essentially, isn't it? Send the person or the influencer that you want to work with an email to understand their terms and conditions. Every person will have different requirements in order to work with them. Some will want an affiliate rate and others will want a payment up front.
Give me the money!
Each person's business strategy differs, but remember, an affiliate rate might require a tiny bit more setup and a little bit more work, as you may have to do something like set up a specific code for this person's followers to use in order to be able to see what they're actually bringing into the company and whatever, and then they take their cut. But essentially, the most important thing is to find an influencer who has terms that you're comfortable with, that doesn't sting you, nor do you feel you're not paying enough for. It's just right, and you know they'll do the work for you, and then from there on you can build a great relationship and develop a good strategy.
So we're clear up front.
Okay. We're not generally comfortable in an office setting, I would say.
I get cooped up.
I won't go into an office that's ever been used before. Other weaknesses, we're slow learners and we're not particularly good listeners.
Working with influencers. However, not every person on Instagram with a large following is created equal. One metric that you will want to be specifically concerned with during your campaign is engagement. In the past, this was much easier to do statistically speaking, as you could see the likes on the page, but now Instagram is removing that little by little. Instead, a great idea is to see how many people are commenting on a given post. In fact, this in many ways is actually better than simply counting likes. Likes can be automated very easily, whereas very specific comments and relevant comments to whatever the post is about are a bit more tricky to do via a bot. Additionally, you can also see how thoughtful your potential partner is by how they respond and how often they respond to commenters. i.e., if your potential partner is constantly responding very amicably to comments or making little jokes and things, then it's more likely that they'll help you sell your campaign. Also, while researching who to work with, be very careful of those who call themselves influential but in actual fact are not. A large following is not the most important metric. Instead, consider those who have accounts across social media in general. While a LinkedIn account is not the best for a tourism campaign, a Facebook or a YouTube presence is definitely an added value for your company. In conclusion, for the right organization, building a business strategy that incorporates tourism marketing via Instagram is a great idea. The platform is already used by tens of millions of potential customers, which means it's very easy to learn and keep track of travel trends. However, as with any marketing platform, there are important pitfalls to avoid. Make sure that your partner is focused on tourism and keeps engagement levels high. Additionally, work with them to find a payment policy that both parties are comfortable with, whether it's an affiliate fee or a one-off payment. That way, you both get what you're looking for out of this versatile platform. Cheers for watching. I'm Alex from SM Marketing and the agency. Subscribe, comment, like, and give it a share. Why not? You're already here. Cheers for watching.